Hi guys, my name is Mousree and welcome back to Code with Mousree. So today we will learn that how to delete or remove image background for the sprites of Scratch, and it is a very difficult issue to take sprites from Google and use for Scratch. You need to go paint and have many steps, but today we will learn without doing that. First we need to write about simplified. Okay, so we got this and we need to write. Now click here. Okay, now we need to drop here or browse. So I'm gonna browse it. Okay guys, so I had this image which I got from Google, a flower image, and in this image for this is Scratch. Remove background, please wait, it may take 15-30 seconds. Okay, now here is okay, thanks success. Now we need to download this. We need to sign in. Okay, let's sign in. Okay guys, so this is downloaded. I already downloaded this to show you. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay guys, I'm here in Scratch. Okay, now I need to write it like this. Well, this is really working and so beautifully extracted. Look, so beautifully. So this was about today's tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial because this is very important tutorial for any scratcher, and subscribe the channel and like the video. Bye bye, take care guys.